Hi everyone, so let's just jump right into the subject. So, how to convert a PDF file to a PPT file. So, a PPT file is basically a PowerPoint file. So, two different extensions and how to find a way to convert it, to convert a PDF file. So, first thing first, we go to Google and we type in PDF to PPT. Then you press enter. You're gonna see a lot of links, but basically we're gonna use Canva. So you click on Canva and you have this window which basically tells you what it's gonna do. So a free PDF to a PPT converter. Make your content more accessible and engaging by converting PDF to PowerPoint. Use Canva free online PDF to PowerPoint converter to turn your PDF files into fully editable PowerPoint presentation with layouts, formats, and visual elements intact. So we click on upload your file, or you can just basically take your file from your document browser and drop it here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload the file. So I'm gonna click upload. So I click upload and I'll go look for the file. I already have a PDF file ready for this, so I'm gonna choose it and then I'm gonna open it. It's gonna upload it to Canva and you're just gonna see the magic. So it's loading out, trying to convert it into the PowerPoint format, and we'll see where it goes from there. It's slow, but yeah, depending on the number of pages, it might take some time. So if it's less than 100, it might go faster. But if it's in 100 or more than that, well, it might go slower. Okay, so we have our PDF file in a format of a PPT, of a PowerPoint. So you can see here, we have all the aspects. We can even modify them. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see that on the page I can basically change stuff. Like here, it's rotated graphic design. You can change whatever you want and it will just adapt it. Okay, so it's not just a PPT file, but a PPT file that you can edit how you want. I'll change this back to normal and just to scroll a little bit down to see. I have all the tests, I have all the presentation. I can change what is running down. As you can see, even the images, I can use them, I can move them. It's quite incredible. Basically, if you have a PDF that you want to use like a template, you can just change it to a PowerPoint and change some stuff in it to make it as you want. Or you just have a presentation in a PDF file. You can change it into PPT in Canva and just change whatever you want, even the image, even the writings. You can basically do anything you want. So that's it, guys. Just to show you many ways to change a PDF file into a PPT and to basically edit it like you want. Change it, move it around, switch it, changing the colors, everything is possible. And when you finish, you just come here in the corner, in the right corner here, you click on share, and you can basically download it. You download it and you have it in you have a PPT, you have a PowerPoint file that you can just move around. You don't really need, basically Canva needs internet, so if you're finished editing on the internet, you can basically just download the PPT and then just open it in one of your PowerPoint Explorer reader, whatever you have. If it's a Microsoft PowerPoint or whatever software, you just use it and you can just modify it offline. So yeah, that's what you can do. Thanks, and see you next time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.